Hi people. Let's animate the player today. And these are the images I use for my animations. For the left movement. For the right movement. And for the standing movement. Delete the sprite node of your player and replace it with a node, animated sprite. To do that, click on player. Then right-click and click on Add Child Node. Now, search for animated sprite and double-click on it. Go to Inspector. Here it frames. Click on this little arrow. And click on New Sprite Frames. Now click here on Sprite. And this Sprite Frames dock will open down here. Go to File System. Open your Assets folder. Now get your images for the right movement with drag and drop here. Like this. Then double-click on this folder. And rename it to, let's say, Move Right. So, the animation for the right move is done. Let's continue with the left move. First, we need to create a new folder for the left movement by clicking on this symbol. Double-click on the folder and rename it to, let's say, Move Left. Go to your Assets folder again. Now, get your images for the left movement with drag and drop here. So, the animation for the left movement is done. Let's continue with the standing movement. Click again on this symbol to create a new folder. Double-click on the folder and rename it to, let's say, Standing. Now, drag and drop your images for the stand movement here again. Let's see if all animations work properly. Go to Inspector. Here at Animation. Click on this little arrow. Here you can see the folders we created for each animation. Select an animation here. Then click here on Playing. Make sure that playing is always on. Because when playing is off, the animation in the game will not work. If you want to change the size of your sprite, click here to Scale Mode. And enlarge the image. When you are done, don't forget to go back to Select Mode here. If you want to change the order of the sprites, click on the sprite you want to move. And use these arrows to move it either further to the left or to the right. And, with this symbol, you can remove a sprite. Here at Speed, you can set how fast the animation should run. The last step is to call the animations in the code. In the physics process function, add these lines. Start the program. That's it for today. Bye.